Alright guys, so I'll take a second to catch you up while I'm out here. It's a little cool. The water temperature 57, 58. It's been so weird this year. Cold, warm, hot, cold, warm, snow. But I haven't made videos for pretty much a year. I think about the last video I put out was a bank pull video last year. Memorial weekend might have been the last one. I had my daughter's graduation, then I started working on my basement, and then I broke my wrist pretty good, and that shut me down for quite a while. So I'm back out now. Gonna try and pick out some more videos. It's funny talking. I've met some of you guys now, and I swear I think people only watch my videos that are locals to see where I'm fishing and if I'm catching any fish. So quit finding my spots. But we'll try to kick out some more videos. Anyway, I just do this for fun, so if nothing else, throw some out every once in a while when I'm out doing something. Thanks guys. Right there is where we caught the 41 pounder. Probably why is that big tube in there. That was its house. Don't yank, you'll bend the hook straight or? Alright. Okay. Just watch Jen on the first one.
I'm not used to catching fish. Just to let you know, Dad, last time I did this,
okay. Time out.
So.
Let's regroup. I'm going to show John something.
Hold on.
Do this.
You want me to sit back there? Is it on?
Video. Yeah.
Okay.
Let me get around you.
Okay.
Johnny, I made this special anchor.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Whoa!
He had some pull to him.
I'm almost died over here. Oh. It's not that big. Oh!
Flathead too.
It's not bad.
You got it?
You said it was on, right?
Oh, that's good. Now, this is probably about cut the tree in half. We'll weigh him just for the heck. We'll keep this one. That's a good one.
Oh, I didn't know we were keeping him this year. Or
well,
this
that
time.
is about the size.
Is that like the biggest you eat?
Around there, that's the size I like to eat. And I haven't kept any this year. So, just so you know.
That's fish in there. I'll take a picture as soon as we're out.
Actually, yeah, I'm gonna.
Almost didn't work.
How many
You're
pounds?
stepping on his whisker. Didn't we break it last time with the 40 pounder? Or did you fix it?
Working.
Oh, he's bleeding.
He's gonna get eaten anyway.
See Rod's son caught like a 19-inch crappie.
That's pretty sweet.
I thought he said it was state record or something, or a half-inch short of the state record.
I'm happy already.
I didn't think you were gonna catch anything.
Of course.
I was like, we're gonna go out here. There's gonna be nothing on these poles.
Poor guy, he's trying to breathe.
You guys got a guess?
10 pounds.
I say 2.
I was gonna say like 5.
Tells you how many fish I've caught.
Oh,
guess
I
I'm
win.
holding it.
Okay, wait. Let me see it. Okay.
5 pounds, 11.
That's pretty
Dang.
damn good.
You're gonna be tasty. These are the ones you want to eat.
Where are you gonna put them in the cooler?
Well, our bait's in there, and we probably eat them all before that.
So you're just gonna let him flop?
Yeah.
It's a big ass hook.
Memorial weekend, we're out. The river is very low. It's just high enough that we can navigate it in my little boat now. But we tried a couple weeks ago and we hit bottom so many times it wasn't worth it. But we're out Memorial weekend. The water's just deep enough we can get through with this boat. Little 14-footer, 25 horsepower. Yeah, we did. We checked 2 lines. Only got 8 in. We checked 2 lines. The second one, got a little 5-pound flathead. See how we do on the rest. Alright, see what Johnny can do.
Pretty big. 5-pounder. Nice thing. That's a good one, Jim.
No.
Ah!
Oh,
Nice fillets there.
here. Did you want
That's a channel cat. To see the difference
Oh.
between the channel and the flathead.
Oh,
He's a lot
wider in the head.
light. Well, the color is.
They call those camel cats. So they're 2 different species. Oops. They're catfish, but they're
I don't know that I don't remember how to do this. The little ones you can put your hand in their mouth.
yeah. Just don't get the hook on.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, that's fishing.
Will you put the
Anchor.
spike in? The custom spike by Jimmy Bennett.
Open your mouth.
So this is pull number 3. We got 2 fish in the boat. We got skunked on pull number 1.
Oh, God.
I'd have Johnny help you, but he doesn't like to get his hands dirty.
Supervisor.
Come
Good.
on.
They're super sharp hooks.
I know. Tearing me apart. Oh,
Gonna get it?
almost. Move your whisker, dude.
There you go. That's what I do. Good.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You got it. You won.
It's a fish. They can't do it.
Ow!
Tell that to the
Battle
fish.
scars.
Yeah.
Oh, I ripped out his poor guy.
That's just more bait.
That's just a little cheek bait.
Okay, chill, dude.
There's a little net by your left foot if you want one.
Grab the one that ain't moving.
This little dead
The
guy.
floater. We got a floater.
So I keep a great big ice jug in
Holy
there.
cow, that's freezing!
Well, it keeps them alive for longer, and then I aerate it.
God, I
Yeah,
didn't even
got
try.
bloody knuckles.
Okay. This one's kind of small. How far
Right
is
by
it
the
down?
fin.
About like right there. Yep.
Oh.
You might have a scale. There you go. Good job. Make sure there's no scales. Johnny, you can pull the anchor.
Oh, geez. We moved a lot.
remember, don't throw him because the weight will snap him off the hook sometimes. Johnny's going to end up in the drink. Good job, the A-team.
Woo!